Hello, my name is Mark Little and I'm the principal at Queensbury Academy. It was really nice to see all you Year 6s in September when we had our open evening, and very nice to see all the families too that came to our wonderful school. But it's been a long time since then, and many of you have decided to come to Queensbury, which is really exciting. So I thought I'd introduce myself again and tell you about all the things you've got to look forward to in September. So firstly, just a little bit about me. So family is very important to me. First of all, I have a wife and 2 children, and family at school is also really important. We see ourselves at Queensbury as a family where we help each other get through the tricky times, but also the good times too. I really like sport, but I also like performing arts too. So I'm a music teacher, and my motto very much is work hard, be kind. I think, and Queensbury thinks, that if you work hard and you are kind, you will be a success. So, who are you? Well, you are the class of 2025. That is when you will be taking your GCSEs, which seems a long way away. And actually, many of you, I would say the majority of you, will stay here for Year 13, which is in 2027, when you take some A-levels. So you've got a big journey ahead of you at Queensbury, and we're really excited to be helping you on that journey. There are 4 things that we are really going to do to help you. We are going to help you be as ambitious as possible. You have really high expectations of yourself, so you are the best version of yourself every single day. We want you to think big, be ambitious in terms of what you think you can achieve, and I think that's going to really help you be a success. We're also going to help you be confident. Every single day we will make sure that we will recognise when you are doing well, and we will build up your confidence so you feel you can take on the world and do anything that you want. We also will try and help you know more and remember more, because actually the more you know and the more you can do, the better your qualifications will be, but also the more success that you will be later on in life. We want you to enjoy knowing things and learning things as well. We also want you to be the most kind person possible, kinder than you've ever been before, really thoughtful and understanding of others, because we feel as a community and a family that actually if you are really kind, then people want to work with you and want to sort of be with you, and that's going to make you a real success in the future. So the 2 main things I want to talk to you about is what have you got to look forward to, and also to have a little think about what worries or questions that you might have. So firstly, you're joining this Queensbury family that really cares, and that's a really key word, care there, about you and what your talents are, because we want you to develop those talents and become a real success. And what we want to do in September, and I'm really excited about this, is to get to know each and every one of you. What do you want to do in your life? You know, what kind of things do you like to do at the moment? What lessons do you really like? What are your talents? Because I want to make sure that those talents grow and grow throughout your time here. And the way that's going to happen is you are going to follow our care values. Values are ways of thinking about how you can behave to be really successful. And we have what's called care values, C-A-R-E. C stands for cooperation, being able to work with others to be really successful. Aspiration is A, which is aspiring to be really ambitious, really have high expectations of yourself and really reaching for the stars. R is being respectful, being kind to everyone, being understanding and thoughtful, and being a really good member of our community. And E is endeavour to work hard, because we feel that if you work hard, then actually you will be a real success here. There's lots of ways for you to develop those behaviours, those care values. We've got lots of clubs we want you to get involved in, lots of trips we want to send you on, lots of competitions for you to enter and enjoy. We want you to become a confident student leader in our school. There's lots of opportunities for leadership and for you to really grow as a leader and as a person. There's lots of exciting lessons we want you to get involved with. We've got great science labs. We've got performing arts studios. We've got lots of PE resources. and a number of other things that we think you're going to love to do. And there's lots of amazing people that you are going to meet. Lots of amazing new teachers. You're going to still have some friends from your primary school, but you're going to also meet some amazing friends that you may know for the rest of your life. So there's lots of exciting opportunities to look forward to. And we think that actually from year 7 to year 13, that you can become very successful. And this diagram here shows what journey you can go on to be successful. Because we want you to take every opportunity to do the best you can. And this diagram shows all the different things you can be doing to be very successful in our time here. Now, we are always looking out for those people who are following our care values. And when we do that, we give you a cue point. And a cue point is a way of saying, well done, you've done a great job there. With lots of cue points, we send postcards home, you get care badges, you get onto your blazer, and you get loads of opportunity for us to pat you on the back and say, great job. So many of you may have some worries or questions, and that's absolutely natural. Everyone does before they go to secondary school. And so I'm sure there's a number of things you might be worried about or have questions about, like how you might find your way around school, how you might make new friends. But I don't want you to worry, because in September we will make sure we will help you with that. We've done a video that shows you around our school, and that gives you a bit of an idea, and you'll have a planner which has maps in, and that will help you find your way. And there's always people to help out and buddies. Don't worry about being late. People will take that into account and help you get where you need to go. We've also got some awesome work for you to do to help us get to know you a little bit more. And there's a form that we've set up where you can ask questions. If you've got any questions, we will help answer them. Okay, so there's 4 things I want you to do now. The class of 2025, or perhaps 2027. I want you to work hard and be kind this half term. Work hard on the work that we'll give you, and be kind to your family, your friends, help with chores at home, contacting a friend and make sure they're okay. Number 2, I want you to really start practicing our care values: cooperation, aspiration, respect and endeavour. Okay, I want you to really, in September, I want to see who actually remembers those 4 really important values. The 3rd thing is look after yourself. I want you in September to be confident, strong and positive about starting your secondary school. So make sure that you sleep well, you eat well, you keep positive, you get into a good day routine, you get up in the morning and you go to bed and get a good night's sleep, all those kind of things, so you should be ready to really go for it in September. And finally, just look forward to September. Don't worry about it. It's going to be a great year, and we all really, really look forward to welcome you with open arms when you get here. Thank you.